everyone, welcome back to my channel, Kids Can Code Python. In this video, we're gonna learn a bit of science, a bit of math, and a bit of programming. So we're gonna figure out how to find the mass of your body. So what is mass? Mass is what something is made up of. So let's take this popsicle, for example. What is it made up of? Well, obviously, it has ice in it, so it must be made up of hydrogen and oxygen, which forms to make H2O. Let's look at hydrogen. Hydrogen is the first element of the periodic table, and its mass is 1.0079. Is mass the same as weight? No. Here's why. Let's take this kid for an example. He's standing on the earth. So now we all know Earth has gravity, and Earth's gravity is pulling the boy towards itself. And scientists have figured out that this gravity is equal to 9.0807 times on Earth. So weight is equal to mass times gravity. Using this information, let's find the mass of a body when user enters their weight. So I'm back at Visual Studio and I'm going to write my heading for my program. Print blank line, and my program heading is going to be called Program to Find the Mass of Your Body. And then at the end, I'm going to put in another blank line. So now let me ask the user to enter their weight. I'm going to use the try except method, and inside the try, I'm going to type in weight, and that's going to be my variable. And instead of converting it to int, I'm going to convert it to float. This allows the user to enter in a decimal number for their input. So inside the parentheses, I'm going to type in enter your weight. And I'm just going to type in please don't lie. And then I'm going to give a dash. And then at the back, I'm going to type in an accept value error. And then inside that accept, I'm going to type in print invalid value. And then after that, I'm going to type in exit. Now that I have the user's weight, let me validate it. Now we know that the user's weight cannot be 0. So I'm going to type in an if statement, weight is less than 0, print, weight can't be negative. And then I'm going to exit. And then after that, I'm going to type in an elif, weight is double equal to 0, give a colon, and inside that elif, I'm going to type in print, weight can't be 0. And then I'm going to exit. Now we know that weight is equal to mass times gravity. So that means mass must be equal to weight divided by gravity. So I'm going to go ahead and declare a variable called mass, and I'm going to do weight divided by the gravitational constant, which is 9.807. Below that, I'm going to type in print the mass of your body is, and I'm going to type in mass. Now let's execute the program that we just wrote. So I'm going to run the program, and it says enter your weight, please don't lie. I'm going to type in 80, and it says the mass of your body is 8 point something something. And I don't want all of this. What I want is for it to round. Now let's round it up to 2 decimal places. And I'm going to use a function called round. And I'm going to give in brackets, another one here. And I'm going to give a comma and 2 so it knows which decimal place we're rounding to. Now let's run it again. Enter your weight. I'm going to type in 80 again. and it says the mass of your body is 8.16, which is exactly what we expected. That's it for this video, guys. See you next time. Bye!